Hi everyone. Welcome to the Game Level channel. Today I want to teach you how to run WhatsApp Messenger on your computer. Open your browser and go to whatsapp.com. Click on the Mac or Windows PC option. The website will automatically display the download link according to your operating system. Click on the download link. After the download is complete, close the browser. Open the downloaded setup file. Click on Run. After the installation is complete, open WhatsApp. To use WhatsApp on a computer, you need to open WhatsApp on a mobile phone and select WhatsApp Web from the menu, and then scan the barcode from the computer monitor. Open WhatsApp on mobile phone. Touch the menu section. Touch on WhatsApp Web. Touch on Link a device. Point your phone to monitor screen to capture the code. As you can see, WhatsApp was running on the computer. You can use a series of WhatsApp features here. Note that if you disconnect WhatsApp on mobile phone, you will not be able to access WhatsApp on computer. I hope you found this video useful. If you want, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click the bell, a notification will be sent to you as soon as a new video of me is released. Thanks for watching this video.